Hello everybody, in this video we're going to learn how to connect the BGI BG-VD100 vehicle detector to a Panasonic Attune 2 base station, which is also Panasonic CC411A. So here's how we do it. Basically it's very self-explanatory, very easy. You take the vehicle detector and you apply 12 volt power to here, plus 12 volts, minus 12 volts. You can use an external power adapter. For that I'm using this guy, this power adapter, and see, as soon as I plug it in, it turns on. There, it turned on. And then right here is where your coil goes. As you can see here, the coil, that's where your coil goes. And either one of these are relay switches, so I have chosen these two. So this is the relay switch. So basically you use all six connectors in a row, all 6 of them, leave the 2 last ones empty, and you connect the relay to vehicle connector 1 and common. Let me go from the top. Right here you can see connector 1 and common. So right here, as you can see, it doesn't matter if you reverse these two because it's only a relay contact, but one goes to common and the other one goes to vehicle detector connector 1. So this is the V detector. Again, look here, I'll put this here so you can see how it's attached. These two go to these two go to power, and this two is the coil, and the coil is right here. If you look, this is the coil. This is your coil right here. So as you can see, you saw how this is connected and everything. You can seat this here or something. Now as you can see, there is no vehicle present. Now I'm gonna get a metal plate. This is just a metal plate. I'll put it on the coil. This is supposedly underneath the ground. I'll put it on the coil and the vehicle should be present right here. Watch. That's your vehicle. Shows the vehicle is there. Remove the metal, vehicle is gone. Present, gone. Like that. So, and also if you look at the light here, see that red light right now? And if you put this, you get the green light. And back to red light. Let me choose a different camera angle. So as you can see now from a different camera angle, right now the light vehicle detector is off and there is no vehicle. And now I'm going to bring the middle piece. I put it on the coil and there is my vehicle and the detection light is on. So that's how you install it. Yeah, so it's pretty simple, and you can do this in like less than 5 minutes. If you have any questions, please comment and I'll be happy to help you. Thank you for watching.